What are these cats doing in the mud hole? Your tail is getting wet. Now you have a wet tail. There's Kazera. Are you hunting for something in here? Huh? There's nothing in there. What are y'all doing? Huh? What's going on? Hey, kitty. Why are y'all interested in the mud hole? Hey. Well, hello, Ethereal. Now both of y'all getting those tails in the water. Why y'all doing that? Hey there, Kazera. Hello, Shadow. Hello. Good morning, kitties. Good morning. They're getting in the water. Are you fascinated by the water, Kazera? Oh, she's found a stick. Those are so rare. Like you would never see a stick around here in the woods. So unusual. I don't understand the fascination.